Another day, another house. This is what a 7.5 million modern two-story house and lot for sale here in San Isidro, San Fernando, Pampanga. For 150 lot area and 160 floor area, meron na tayong 3 carport. This is an open layout design. Makikita kung gaano kaaliwalas tingnan ang ating loob ng bahay, which you can customize ayon sa preferences mo sa mga furniture sa living area. Andito ang ating kitchen area. Katabi naman nito ang ating common toilet and bath sa ating first floor. Akyat naman tayo sa second floor, na kung saan bubungad sa iyo ang ating common toilet and bath sa ating second floor. Katabi nito ang first bedroom. Ang ating second bedroom na may access sa ating master's bedroom. Ito naman ang master bedroom. Access nito ang ating balcony. Comment how below para mag-guide kita on how to start owning this beautiful 7.5 million property here in San Isidro, San Fernando, Pampanga. Thank you for joining this house tour and see you on the next one. Bye!